Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use medium claw clips on hair. First, gather the top half of your hair, from your temples to the crown, as if you're creating a half ponytail. Give this section a gentle twist, 1 or 2 times, to create a firm base. Now, open your medium claw clip and place it over the twisted hair, ensuring it grips both the twisted section and some hair from underneath for a secure hold. For a full updo, begin by gathering all your hair into a low or mid ponytail. Twist this ponytail tightly upwards, bringing it close to your scalp. Once twisted, fold the hair down, creating a neat loop or bun shape against your head. Finally, open your medium claw clip and secure it firmly over the folded hair, making sure to catch the base of the twist for maximum hold. To achieve an elegant French twist, first sweep all your hair to one side. Begin twisting it upwards vertically, keeping it close to your scalp. Continue twisting until it forms a neat, compact column running up the back of your head. Once the twist is formed, open your medium claw clip and secure it along the seam of the twist, ensuring it holds the hair firmly in place for a polished finish. For a relaxed, casual messy bun, start by gathering all your hair into a high ponytail, but don't secure it with an elastic. Instead, loosely twist the ponytail and coil it into a messy bun shape on top of your head. Don't worry about perfection. The messier, the better. Then, open your medium claw clip and secure it firmly at the base of the bun, catching loose ends for a stylish, effortless look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.